Insta360 has introduced its Mic Air, its debut wireless microphone for Insta360 camera alongside the X5 Creative Bundle. Weighing just 7.9 grams, the Mic Air provides a portable and easy to use solution for creators using high-end quality audio for vlogs, live streams, and more. Plug and play upgrade for your Insta360 X5 with no adapters required. Magnetic clip allows quick clothing attachment. Remote control supports recording, noise filtering, and muting. High quality 48 kHz or 24-bit audio with built-in noise reduction and wind shields. Compatible with Insta360 X5, Ace 2 Pro, Flow series smartphones, and other devices. For wider compatibility, it offers a one transmitter and one receiver bundle supporting most smartphones, tablets, computers, and Insta360 Flow series. Insta360 has also introduced the ultimate creative combo, a content kit that includes mic, air, and essential accessories. You get bullet time selfie stick 2.0, capture creative angles at 65 degrees, 75 degrees, 90 degrees with an extended 120 centimeter stick that combines bullet time and invisible stick effects. Quick Reader, you enable simultaneous shooting and data transfer supporting USB-C and Lightning and offers pass-through charging for extended use. You get free with Insta360 app. The bundle turns X5 into powerful content creator tool for social creators. AI features like Flash Cut and Short Lab offers quick edit for both 360 and standard videos with manual and automatic option. Mic Air marks an important step in building a full accessory ecosystem for creators. Insta360 plans firmware update to expand compatibility with most camera models and to release an iOS Lightning version very soon. The price is supposed to be $49 for the mic air, which is 4,100 rupees. And for one transmitter and one receiver model bundle, you get it for $69 or 5,900 rupees. The Insta360 X5 Ultimate Creative Bundle is $669 or 59,760. It is much cheaper than the equivalent DJI, which is $69 and $89 respectively.